Hello everyone. Okay, so excuse the noise out there, but for all my mom friends out there, I just wanted to share a little trick. So as most of you know, I do sell Mary Kay, and Mary Kay has amazing mascaras. Couldn't get to the word, but they're really good mascaras, and I wanted to share just this really quick, easy one trick with you guys that I discovered recently to kind of make your lashes stand out even more, and also to like let it stand out really cool. So as you can see, I've already done the one eyelash right here, and on this side, like, I have no eyelashes. Like, what the heck? Yeah, it's sad, really. And oh my gosh, my eyebrows are like so on fleek today. Anyway, so first of all, this is the Mary Kay, I think it's the Lash Intensity mascara, and it is really good. So it comes with two sides. So the one side is kind of flat, as you can see up top here, and then the other side has got long bristles. So the first thing you do is, I know I'm guilty of this, usually we just want to like start at the bottom and wiggle it up to the top. Don't do that. So the first thing you do with the flat side is you start on the ends of your lashes, and that is to make sure that it gets a lot of product, which is really cool. See, it's like already standing out. And then you move on to the mid shaft of your lash, and then you go to the bottom with the long edge. So wiggle, 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 and this separates the lash. And also you can go from the top and like just kind of get it all on there. And I like to use the tip to get these short little nubbies over here on the inside, because otherwise it looks weird. Hey Auntie, how are you? Woo woo. We're doing makeup. Yay. Okay. Look, I have lashes. Ah! Oh my gosh, crazy. But look, so easy. I never knew that was a thing. Lashes. Lashes. Oh, thanks. Thank you. Hope you're doing good. Okay. Who else is watching? Say hi. Let's see. So, Ansi, if you missed it, I am now a Mary Kay consultant. Woo woo, Mary Kay. And I was just showing everybody this really cool mascara trick for your eyelashes, like people like me who have no lashes. I used, ooh, donkey. Donkey scuttable. Hi Amanda, oh my goodness, it's been forever. So this mascara is the Lash Intensity mascara, And I feel like I've been doing mascara wrong all my life. Because with this one, and just any other mascara that you use, but you'd want to get this because Lash Intensity, y'all. You start at the tips of your eyelashes. Hello, Auntie Diana. You start at the tips of your eyelashes, and then you move on to the midsection of your eyelash, and then with the longer bristles, you do from the bottom, and that will kind of separate the lashes and make it more boom. So, I mean, guys, this is good stuff. So if you guys are interested in buying some, hi Liesel. I can have it shipped straight to your house. That's the cool part about Mary Kay now. Everything is virtual. I can have it shipped straight to your house. And if you know about Mary Kay and you know about all the good stuff, then you can totally get anything else you need from me as well. As for the brows being so on fleek, Mary Kay also has like they call it a brow tint, and it's basically I have it in another room now, but it's basically yeah, I know, right? So it's basically, it looks similar to this, but the tip is like really, really small, and it's kind of looks like this, but super, super small. And then all you do is you like brush your eyebrows with it, and I just go crazy. I try not to be like too precise or anything, so I just want to make sure like all the eyebrow hairs have little, like some of the product on it, but you just brush, and then I use like a facial wipe or something, or you can use a Q-tip with your makeup remover, and just like outline and clean up around the eyebrow, and then you look fabulous. So that is my 2 tips for today. The mascara tip and the eyebrow tip. I will show you guys how I do my eyebrows next time. But I just plonked my kid in front of the TV and said, I need a mom minute with Mary Kay and all my buddies. So thank you for watching, guys. I'm going to leave details down below, my website, my Mary Kay website, and also if you need anything. Bye, Ansi. Thanks for joining. And if you need anything else, yes, we can ship it straight to you guys. So thanks for watching, and let's go mom on. You know how it goes. So love you guys. I miss you guys. Auntie Diana, I miss you. Thank you. Let's see. Maybe I'll just sit here for 2 minutes. Hey, Remco. How's Jess? Hi, Janelle. I love your babies. They're looking so good. Oh my goodness. It's so good seeing all of you here. I know it's weird, but it's like really cool. Hi, Salome. Dorothy! Girlfriend, how are you? Oh my goodness. really cool. Thanks for all the loves. Hey, Tara. Okay, for the guys that just came on, I was just showing everybody a real quick trick with mascara that I discovered. If you don't put on full face of makeup, but your go-to, hey Andrew, but your go-to is mascara, lip gloss, and maybe your, moisturizer, foundation, whatever, then this trick is really good because it'll intensify your lashes and also make your product go a lot further. So I'm using the Mary Kay Lash Intensity mascara. They have like a whole range, like waterproof, the ultimate one. It's amazing, but I like this one because I have like literally no lashes, and after putting this on, it's like really cool. So the first thing you do, the nice thing about this mascara, and I'm going to show you guys that joined us just a few seconds ago, I'm going to show you. So this brush has like a short bristled edge, and then it has long bristled edges. So let's see. So the first thing you do is you want to start applying the mascara on your edges of your lashes, and then move on to the mid section of your lashes, and you do that with the short edge. So, and I'm gonna have like a ton of mascara on this eyelash because I've been showing some other people, but yeah, and then with the long end you start at the bottom and just kind of wiggle it up, and this will separate your lashes but coat all the lashes with the product. And I have lashes. Ta-da! So really cool trick. If you guys want some, even if you guys live like in another state, I don't know if Mary Kay is in South Africa yet. I don't think they are. I think they are, but also they maybe not that well known yet. But for those in the States, if you want any Mary Kay products, including this item, I can hook you up. We can ship it straight from the warehouse to your address too. So if you're in Florida or you're in Utah and you want some products, I'm gonna post below or comment below my website, and you can go and have a look and see what cool stuff they have. And then if you place your order, just get in contact with me and I will make sure that it gets shipped straight to your door. You don't even have to get out of your pajamas. You don't have to comb your hair. You can do whatever you like. So thank you for joining me, and this is it. The cool stuff. Let's live that mom life fabulously. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Thanks for joining.